Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. How many columns can you have in Smartsheets? I know that this can be a really important question for a lot of people, especially if you're using Smartsheets to manage a large project or keep track of a lot of data. So, I'm going to give you the answer to that question, and I'm also going to show you some tips for using Smartsheets effectively. So, how many columns can you have in Smartsheets? The answer is, there is no limit to the number of columns that you can have in Smartsheets. This means that you can use Smartsheets to track as much data as you need. This is great news because it gives you a lot of flexibility in how you use Smartsheets. However, there are a few things to keep in mind when you're using a lot of columns in Smartsheets. First, it's important to make sure that your columns are well organized and easy to understand. This will help you to find the data that you need quickly and easily. Second, it's important to be aware that having too many columns can make your Smartsheet slow and difficult to use. If you find that your Smartsheet is becoming slow, you may want to consider deleting some columns that you don't need. Tips for using Smartsheets effectively. Here are a few tips for using Smartsheets effectively. Use columns to track different types of data. For example, you could use one column to track the name of a project, another column to track the start date of the project, and another column to track the project's budget. Use rows to track individual items. For example, you could use a row to track a single task, a single customer, or a single product. Use formulas to automate calculations. This can save you a lot of time and effort. Use filters and views to make it easier to find the data that you need. Use Smartsheets collaboration features to share your sheets with other people. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Smartsheets, I encourage you to check out my other videos on the topic. Thanks for watching.